All right, so let's get into this. So first off, I just want to say big thanks to you guys who participated in the Rally Armor Mud Flaps giveaway. By the time you are seeing this, the winner has already been chosen. But without further ado, I got a new car part for the car, and I'll show you exactly what we got. Oh God, it's cold as shit out here. Okay, so a few videos ago, I made a dedicated video on these taillights only because I had so many questions on you guys asking, where did you get them? How did you install them? Where did you get the parts? So that was the reason why I made that video. But I had a mixed bag of opinions, and some of you guys loved them, some of you guys hated them, some of you guys had some interesting choice words. And I think a vast majority of you guys recommended aftermarket taillights over these. Now, I will say, I'm not selling these, by the way. I'm not getting rid of them, and there's a reason for that, and I'll go over that later on in the video. But I really like how this has that OEM Plus looks. It looks stock, but it doesn't look stock. So that was a reason for me preferring these taillights over the aftermarket options that are out there. But we're gonna switch it up. I'll show you exactly what we got, and let's take a look. Let's open up this trunk. Oh, it's hardly opened. All right, so here it is. Here is the big ass box I did not want to show you guys in the last giveaway video. All right. Oh man, it barely fits in there. And so here we are, an aftermarket set of taillights. First off, I just want to say big thanks to Brian over there at the Mod Garage for taking care of me and getting these taillights. So if you guys are interested in something like this, check out the link in the description below. All right, so these are the Spec D taillights. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys have seen these. These have been out for I think over a year now, and just check that out. Absolutely love them. I've already seen this in person. Now, I know there's different options on the market. To be perfectly honest with you, I do prefer the one with the red C on it, but this is what they had on the shelf, so I went ahead and grabbed it. Would you guys like a set of these taillights? They also come with resistors. I don't think I'm gonna need these because I already have an aftermarket flasher that has a built-in resistor, but I don't know. Do I need these? I don't think I do. We'll check it out. We'll test it out with and without. Hopefully it works without that. I'm not gonna do a whole install video. There are so many install videos on how to install aftermarket taillights, and I'm pretty sure that these are also plug and play. Of course, I got this pack out box, and I recently bought this fancy tool set from Milwaukee. Pretty much has everything you need. Goes from 6mm all the way to 19mm, so you pretty much have all the sockets you need if anything were to happen while you were on the road. You just get the stuff out of here. That's just my emergency kit, just in case anything happens. I never leave home without, you know, a set of tools in the car. Having tools in the car has saved me a lot in the past. Just take this out. It takes 2 seconds. Take these out. You have to take the wires out. I have to watch those. These are a little different. It's that ghost module I had stuck on with double-sided tape. Okay, let's just go ahead and plug these in, and then we'll bolt them in and we'll test them out. Let's compare them to the other ones. Let's see which one you guys like better. Let me just put a bolt in there now so it doesn't go anywhere. Let's take that off. Sweet. Well, it doesn't look too bad. I really like it. Do I like it better than the other ones? I don't know. Let's see here. Let's close it. Let's take a look from far away. I don't know. What do you guys think? Driver side, passenger side? Oh, that's pretty cool. Wow, I really do like how these stay on. And the red on these looks absolutely sweet. Wow, I really do like that. Wow, it looks so much different on camera than it does in person. Let's compare the functionality of these taillights. Let's see how they look. All right, let's do right turn signal. Let's do left turn signal. Let's do brake. Brake again. Let's try reverse. Reverse on, reverse off, reverse on again. Okay, put our running lights on. Let's test out the brake with the running lights. All right, let's check out the right turn signal with the lights on. Do left turn signal with the lights on. do the brake again. There you go. Let's do reverse with the lights on. And there you go. I have no idea what it looks like right now in comparison. But yeah, there you go. The functionality of both the taillights seen side by side. Which one do you guys like better? Please comment down below. So here are the relays that come with the kit. Now I didn't need to use this only because I have an aftermarket flasher already installed. I have the Diodynamic Smart Tap system, but if you don't have an aftermarket flasher relay, you got to use these to prevent that hyper flash. Spec taillights are now fully installed. I want to thank Brian over there at the Mod Garage for sponsoring this video, for helping not only me, but you guys out there acquire a set of these. But I will be honest, when it comes to these taillights, it's really a toss-up between these and the other sets of taillights I do have. Now, when it comes to these, I'll be honest with you, I prefer the one with the red lens over the white lens, but it's really a personal preference on which one you prefer. Now, if you're looking to purchase these directly, just check out the link down in the description below. But I really do love the sequential function of these. As you guys know, most aftermarket taillights have the sequential function built in. Also, that black housing really gives it that nice modern look. But there you go. Let's take a step back. So as I said earlier, I will be giving these taillights away to one of you guys. I will be announcing the winner on Christmas Day. So if you're interested in entering the giveaway, like I mentioned earlier, just follow the on-screen instructions that I'm gonna put somewhere down over here. It's super duper easy. No purchase necessary. I'm not asking you guys to buy anything. Just, you know, follow us on the socials, and yeah, we'll get you guys entered. But yeah, just loving the way it looks. There you go. One of you guys are gonna have these taillights, and I will say, I might miss them. But anyways, that is it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate your guys' support. It really means a lot to me. I just want to give back to you guys over the 5 years we've been on YouTube. Hopefully we can get 60K by the end of the year. I don't know. We will see. But thanks for watching. We will talk to you guys later. Good luck and peace out.